Got a nice little job to do on the R50. Got to replace this. This is the outside temperature sensor. Mine isn't fitted correctly and therefore dropped down, rubbed on the road and ruined it. So we'll go and have a look at fitting that. When you turn the ignition on, it says -40, so I'll jump outside and change that sensor. Now we're back inside the car, see if we fixed it. No, I need to check out the wiring clearly, because that didn't work, did it? So this is the wiring for the sensor. This is the sensor. You can see it was a bit ground down from dragging on the road. The wiring's also took a hit, so moving it around it's changed the display now, so we're going to undo all of this tape and see where the brake is. So that's the wiring all replaced and the new sensor fitted. I've cut the wiring back, I followed it back into the loom looking for the right colours, cut it and replaced the wiring with a piece that I had from a previous job. It was the actual correct connector with the length of wire on from when I did a retrofit on the onboard computer. The kit came with that wiring and I didn't need it because it already had it. So I've replaced the wiring, fitted the sensor and it now works perfectly. As always, thanks for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, commenting and let me know what you think of the video and I shall see you again next time.